Yeah? Ready, girls? The bamboo forest is way cooler than it sounds, that's for sure. So just to help out anybody trying to walk here, you sort of go behind that big stadium and there's this little funny building sort of under the underpass. The Hozugawa River Boat Ride. It's really cool but not cheap. So you can either come right here and buy your tickets and get them. We bought ours at the train station. I think it's the exact same price, but at the train station you can also buy that bus ticket if you didn't want to walk or deal with trying to find your way on the RJ. There's a little gift shop in here. You can buy some food, a beer. But the real special thing is there's like a convenience store boat that will come up to you and sell you a beer on the river. You find a hammer soda? Let's see.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah? Let's see. Kinda. So when it's our turn, they call your number. We're number 211, I guess, boat 211 for the day. Go out, down the stairs, and they load you up into the boats. And with any luck, we're gonna hold off the rain here for another hour and go down the river in the space in between the rain clouds. It is sort of beautiful though with all the mist coming off the mountains. To me it just adds some beauty. Oh yeah, don't these three look like they're ready for a boat ride?
Yes!
Hey! So this is the surprise! I got a surprise for you! We're going on the adventure, on the rain, on the boat.
Down the river.
On the river.
This should be interesting. I'll tell you what though, the clouds coming off the mountains like mist is beautiful. Good thing I'm not a witch and I don't melt in the rain. I don't know about some other people I'm with. Alright, we're all loaded up. Ready, girls? Yeah? Ready, girls? Or Masada's not sure. Oh, there she is.
My name is Yusuke.
It's absolutely a beautiful way to see Kyoto and nature around Japan. Just get out into nature. What a great way. So the history of this riverboat trek started in 1606.
He said for 400 years.
That's 400 years they've been doing this. So this is, I guess, one of the oldest activities in Kyoto. So in this river there's cod, catfish, and Japanese eel. And the captain tried to convince some people that there's sharks in this river, but I don't think so. That's a fun activity. Maybe we do that next time. We do that next time?
Yeah, you do that next time, and I'm gonna clap for you.
Okay. Go back. Go
Thank you very much.
Good job, Captain.
Captain, good job.
They have a hole because every time you're pushing with the stick the same hole, so one time he missed it by over 400 years. They're pushing with the stick in the same hole, so now they have on the rock, so they make a hole.
So that's the water measuring level there. And right now we're below 0, and it goes up at like, what, 20 meters, I guess? I don't know. Pretty cool.
I'm ninja. I'm ninja. Let's go. Come on.
And right over here is a really famous area where a lot of movies are filmed. See why it's just beautiful. Samurai movies and things like that, ninja movies. I don't recognize it from anything, but that's okay. Everywhere here is just so beautiful. And a lot of these trees here are cherry blossom trees, and in the spring, it's absolutely beautiful. It's the romantic train bridge that we just passed. I mean, the romantic train is very nice to take, but this little boat ride down the river makes you slow down and just appreciate the nature in this little river valley. Oh, it's a natural hot spring there. They like piped it up, but it was a natural hot springs back there.
So here from the boat, we're gonna meet another boat.
And in Japanese it's called a Biden.
And the Biden, and we're gonna shop something in the Biden. We're gonna buy some beers, some snacks. Let's see what we find in here.
Yeah, hot food, squid. Wow. So cool.
350 or 500?
500 yen, 350 US. And you get a beer from a boat to a boat. You can't
That's
beat it.
so cute. What is that?
So let's see here. You can get cuttlefish. This is like boiled yam, and I'm not sure what else. These are sweet rice balls, I think. And you got the sauce, and then you can get chips and a beer. You can even get a beer. This is the coolest thing in the world right there. Oh, boiled egg. All right. Hey baby, how's your sake?
I didn't try it yet, but the last time I didn't like it, but this time I'm gonna like it.
So this is one of the really cool temples that we're gonna miss here in this part of Kyoto. It is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but it's already about 5 o'clock and we want to see the bamboo forest, and we're already getting rained on. So we're gonna get down to see the bamboo forest. This is what happens when you don't give yourself enough time and places. This is definitely a whirlwind tour. Last time we came to Kyoto, we had a week, which was absolutely beautiful. If you have a choice, give yourself at least 5 or 6 days in Kyoto. This trip we only have like, oh, I don't know, 2 half days and a full day. So we're trying to hit the things that we think are the best things to see and do in Kyoto. Ooh, so much good food in Kyoto. So about 5, a lot of the shops start closing up. So this is, I would say all of Japan is an early morning sort of activity, except for drinking. Ooh, So, and this area is really well signed. All the different temples, how far away they are, and which way to go. And Chris was talking to one of the rickshaw runners, the guys that pull people behind them. And he said one of the coolest things to see is off over this way. There's some houses that are over 300 years old. So let's go find them, yeah?
Let's go. I am excited to see them because we didn't see them the last time. But we're gonna have to go back to the bamboo forest.
Sort of a cool statue here. That's why I love Kyoto. Every turn there's something new, different, interesting to look at. Obviously this is some sort of statue with offerings, just covered in 1 yen coins. This is what we mean as you walk around this area. There's just temples and temples and temples and temples and temples. Such an amazing area. So this is Jojakoji. So it's always really important to just observe the signs, right? Only Japanese Buddhists are allowed to enter from here. Well, I guess we'll just have to leave it for all the true believers. So the little beehive looking things on the top are the flowers, and inside you can see the lotus seeds. It's just really cool. I've never seen them like fully blooming and I guess ready to harvest, huh? I'm not sure if it's the water locust or the water lilies or a tree, but it smells like black licorice. Just this beautiful fragrant smell. So wonderful. Yeah. So dark. It's crazy how fast it got dark, huh?
We just left the bamboo garden and we had a great experience.
The bamboo forest is way cooler than it sounds, that's for sure.
And it's not that dark, but inside the bamboo forest is so dark because they're so tall and it's so beautiful. So, what's next?
I think we're just gonna walk around this part of
We forget the name of this place.
Arashiyama?
Arashiyama.
Arashiyama. We're gonna walk around Arashiyama a little bit more.
And we're gonna go
find
eat.
something for dinner, and we'll show you what we find.
And this is gonna be the end for us, dinner, and go back to the hotel. So good night from Kyoto.
Good night.